Now question number 5. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 cm and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 cm. It is filled with water up to the brim when lead shoots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 cm, are dropped into the vessel. 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shoots dropped in the vessel. Now to find the solution of this question. Solution. Here height of cone, suppose this is denoted by h, that is given 8 cm. Now radius of the cone, suppose this denoted by capital R, that is given 5 cm. Volume of water, volume of water flows out, equal to, formula is 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r is here 5 cm, here square into h is given 8 cm. 1/3 pi 5 into 5 into 8 cubic centimeter. Now multiply this is 200 pi upon 3 cubic centimeter. Now volume of water flows out is given question. Volume of water flows out, that is given in question. 1/4 of this volume, 200 pi upon 3 cubic centimeter. 4 divide this one 50 times, 50 pi upon 3 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of water flows out. Now a question, radius of sphere, suppose this denoted by R, is given 0.5 centimeter. Volume of sphere, formula is 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r is given 0.5 centimeter is cube. 4/3 pi 0.5 multiply 0.5 multiply 0.5 cubic centimeter, because here power is 3. Then this multiply 4 multiply 0.5 multiply 0.5 multiply 0.5, that is 5 for the 20, 2.0 2.0 multiply by 0.5, that is 1.0. 1.0 multiply 0.5, that is 0.5 upon 3 pi cubic centimeter. 5/30 pi cubic centimeter. 5 1 ja 5, 6 pi upon 6 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of sphere. Now number of lead shoots dropped. Number number of lead shoots dropped. Number of lead shoot dropped. Number of leads shoot dropped. Formula is volume of water flow out. Volume of water flows out upon volume of spherical shoot. Volume of spherical shoot. Now substitute the value. The value of volume of water flows out, that is 50 upon 3 pi cubic centimeter upon volume of spherical shoot, that is pi upon 6 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter get be cancel. Pi get be cancel. 50 upon 3, this sign change into multiply, taking the reciprocal of this one, that is 6 upon 1. This 3 divide this 6 2 times, then 50 multiply 2, that is 100. Then the number of lead shoot drop, that is 100.